Hi, I'm Alnoor. Eureka! How do you get found? It's by blazing your path. It's by standing out. You know those dating apps where you enter your keywords when you're looking for the right match? Guess what? Hey, recruiters, are you looking for their unicorn or their purple squirrel by using those keywords? So, seen a job description? Upload that on tag.com. Find out what keywords are being used. Look at your job titles. Are they current? Lots of job titles have become obsolete. People are still finding jobs. It's because of their transferable skills. So when you have the skills area that are showing up from finding out what the keywords are, populate those on your profile. Keep them everywhere in your headline or tagline, in your about section, in your keyword, in your experience, and please to populate those. You need at least 5, but you can go up to 50. You know what? Go big or go home is my motto here. It's how you can stand out. And then when your network endorses you, endorse them back. Not quid for pro. And please even try and get recommendations from your peers, from your former managers, your colleagues, all of those. And when you have then finished all of these, what I'd like you to do is, let me just go back. If your titles are not aligning, change these up. LinkedIn allows you to do that. Make sure the competencies are right. And that way, when recruiters find you using those keywords, they look at your job description, they see the right title. Hey, bing, 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 bing. You can call me Cupid because I've helped you become the matchmaker. Please also do a LinkedIn review by using resumeworded.com. And if this has helped, share it. Spread the love.